Yo, what up, though? Back with another video today. Seen the title, finna try to get our upholstery game on. I'm about to redo my seats. My upholstery literally just came in the mail. I put the link to the website that I got it from down in the description as usual. So I wanted to go with like a diamond pattern with black and white, but I couldn't find it, so I wound up settling with this. Tape those out on there. Oh yeah, I like this already. So this is what we went with right here. Some marine vinyl, it feel good too. So this is what we're gonna be adding today. And I actually had some dish foam laying around in the basement, I think from when I moved into my last house. So I'm gonna add this to the cushion that's already in there, try to make the seat more comfortable, see if that'll work. If not, then who cares? So I've already got the first seat taken off, the back seat rather, pulled out all the staples. It's 1,000 of them right there, so. And I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with this little part that the passenger's supposed to hang on to. I may just glue it on there. I'll see, but let me start working on this back seat. Real quick, just some of the tools you're gonna need. A screwdriver and some needle nose to pull out the staples. Scissors to cut your fabric, and this is a China marker. I'm just using this to when I trace the pattern out. This ain't necessary, but I got them, so I use it. And of course, a staple gun to staple it back in. And glue, because like I say, I'm gonna try to glue this. So we'll see how that turn out. All right, let me get this back seat done real quick. Cause it's Thursday, so we gonna be headed to Royal Oak later. I think Ted's supposed to be riding with me. And then gotta get back for the game. Yeah, I need some of that foam so I can fill in this little detent. Ironic with this, one of the things that I'm doing that I haven't watched the YouTube video first to do it, but I figured I do is just cut and trace, trace and cut, you know what I mean. I think I ordered like 2 yards of this, so I think I got more than enough. And then once I get it actually on there, I could trim it some more. So yeah, this dish foam pretty thin, so I'm gonna use like 3 layers of it to see if they make a difference. It's not feeling like it, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I only really need this to cover the top part. Care about the edges. Might have cut it too close. It's supposed to stretch. That's what we want. Tight fit. All right. That's not good. staples ain't strong enough. So yeah, got the first one did. Looking good. I had to go back. I know y'all saw some of them staples wasn't staying, but I went back and made sure they all in. All right, that's the first one done. All right, now we can tackle this big boy. I'm gonna probably just cut y'all back in when I'm done. Like I say, it's the same process. Snatch out all of the staples and cut, trace cut, and staple it back in. So I ain't gonna bore y'all with pulling staples. I'll cut y'all back in a second. All right, I finally got, feel like 1,000 staples out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this pattern traced out and cut out and start stapling the new one in. I noticed they got these edges sewn, but I'm just gonna have to work around and pull and staple with mine. So y'all seen how I cut it out, just trace it, cut it. I don't think y'all need to see that, and be right back. So yeah, that about wraps it up for the big C2. I had to go pull out a air compressor staple gun. I couldn't get none of these. I wasted all of these staples. They just wouldn't go through the plastic. They just kept bending. So went and got the big dog. I got a couple more wrinkles right here that I gotta massage out, but for the most part, it's all good. A little trim work to do, cut some of that out of there. Cut those out, but yeah, that's pretty much the final result. I said I'm not an upholstery guy. Probably gotta put one more staple back here. I'm not an upholstery guy, but I think that looked damn fucking good for my first shot. Boy, I think it looks too bad. Y'all tell me what y'all think down in the comments. Would you pay me to do this to your seat? Tell me that. So I'm about to go throw these trim them up, go throw these on the bike, So yeah, gang, that's gonna do it for this video. I still gotta work out some of the wrinkles and get some of the little trim up off of there. That way it makes sure it fit on the bike. But if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.